This video will guide you through the filter replacement for your Atem Earth Air Purifier. The red filter status tells you that the filter set is full and should be replaced. The replacement set includes the filter and 2 filter seals. Make sure to unplug the purifier. Then firmly grab the purifier and turn it upside down to gain access to the filter cover. Unclip and extend the power cord completely. Gently press down on the filter cover. Open the 3 locking levers, and lift off the cover. Grasp into the filter and pull it out to remove it. Be sure to also remove the second filter seal at the bottom. Place one of the new filter seals around the fan guard. Ensure that the seal lays flat without creases or bulges. Now, drop the new filter into the purifier, making sure it sits properly. Place the second new seal on the filter. Align the notches, and refit the filter cover. Then gently press down on the cover and close the 3 locking levers. Wrap any excess cord around the cord retainer and clip it into the feed-through. Finally, turn the purifier back to its upright position and plug the unit back in. Reset the filter life by touching and holding the filter reset button for about 5 seconds. Now you are all set to enjoy clean, healthy air again.